Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P or CMD+Shift+P. Once done, type View, toggle Output, or toggle the panel and switch the tab to Output. You do this because the Output panel aggregates logs and extension messages that the integrated terminal does not. Make sure a workspace is loaded so channels appear. If you want quick access later, note the panel stays available across sessions and will display channel-specific messages for builds, extensions, and tasks. Now you pick the right channel from the Output dropdown. For task output, open Vscode/tasks, JSON, and add a presentation block with reveal. Always and ensure the task outputs to the panel that routes build and task results into output. Extensions and integrated tools often expose named channels. Enable the extension or check its settings so its logs go to output. If you want persistent visibility, bind a keyboard shortcut to View. Toggle Output so you can switch quickly during debugging or builds. Finish by saving your workspace settings and running a test task or extension to verify output appears. If you do not see messages, make sure the extension actually logs to the output channel and that tasks. JSON uses the correct presentation options. Once done, reload the window to clear transient issues. If problems persist, open Help Toggle Developer Tools to check console errors. That often reveals missing activation or permission issues. And make sure you repeat the reveal setting if you change tasks or install new extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.